Alright, so I wanted to take a minute here to overview how we will handle the accessory structures for this unit. Now, what we're going to be doing is you are going to be actually broken down into groups. And each group is going to be given a card that is going to deal with one, and in some cases two, of the accessory structures. On each of the cards is listed the essential question or questions. For instance, here with the hair, we have two of them. In addition, there's some key vocabulary that are listed there as well. Working in the groups that you go into today, you should generate the notes just for that particular accessory structure. So you can use the textbook. If possible, I will also have some technology available, but the idea is that you use the textbook as your primary source of information. Okay. Now we are in the Integumentary system, which should be, I believe, chapter 4. Okay. And so what you're going to do is using your collective groups, so there should be some conversations that are happening. I'm sorry, we're actually in chapter 5. And starting with page 128, which starts with the hair, and then going on all the way to 135. Your group will pick out the section of the book that actually applies to them and generate the notes. Now for some of these, there may be diagrams or even some pictures that are meant to help with the explanation. I've tried to provide some graphic organizers to kind of help where I can with some of this information, just to make it easier for people to capture it. For instance, I know with the hair there is a picture of the diagram. You may want to label the key vocabulary that are part of that diagram. Same thing with the nails, and I know with injuries, specifically cuts, there's actually a stepwise process that you probably want to take a look at here. So the idea is that you and your group mates today are actually completing those notes, and then what we will do is on another day, we will actually get together and we're going to switch up the groups. So you are going to become the expert on whatever topic your group is researching today, and it will be your job to actually teach the others in that new group at that later time. Okay, so this is kind of what we're working on, and I think that you'll find that it's actually a pretty easy activity for you to complete.